Hi, this is Ashwini watching Ashwini.our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one natural pack by using some of a day-to-day life what we're using in a kitchen. No, by using some of the kitchen ingredients and doing a natural pack to give a face to an intense or instant brightening and glowing to your skin. Okay, let's move on to the main video. If you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, share my channel. So what do? Let's start the main pack. Before going to this kind of a pack and whatever you're going to do, no, this kind of a stuff, no, you're just gonna wash your face with the whatever you want to use. Either you want to use face wash, either you want to face. So what kind of a things for your daily routine by using before using a pack, no, whatever the daily what you're doing to use, no, going to use, no, use all the thing, and afterwards, after your cleansing, after your whatever thing you are doing, no, you better whenever you're going to use some of the natural product, no, you better use raw milk and wash your face. By using your raw milk, it give a little charmness to your face. So that's why I'm always telling you to use the natural products, and that will give you a instant fairness to you. Okay, so let's move on to the main video. What we are doing today is so here I am taking a, what do you know, guess what it is? This one is a grated potato. Okay, this is a grated potato. So today by this we are going to do one pack that will give you a instant fairness and instant glowing to your face. Okay, so what do I do here is so I just grated little potato. So what I do is so take this grated potato like this, and you just squeeze like this. Okay, see, no, you just squeeze like this. How much you want to grate a potato, that is well and good. So this is what the potato. Okay, you just squeeze like this. Okay, so this is what the potato juice. That's it. And afterwards, keep it aside, this grated one, and here is a key ingredient. You just add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Okay, so as it soothes, moisturizes your skin, and it will glowness your skin. Number of infinite qualities of aloe. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of grated potato. And this is what our ingredient. Now the pack is ready to use. Okay, so as you know, the potato is consists of the two hormones. One is the gibberellins. Maybe it is a gibberellins. I write this one spelling of that gibberellins. May you pronounce a gibberellin and may you pronounce a gibberellin. This is the same only gibberellin, and another one is auxin. So these two works like a anti-inflammatory and also the anti-acne product. So along with that, these two hormones which present in the potatoes, no, this will act you like a, which give you a glowing to your skin, as well as it removes your darkness on your face. So as it removes the darkness and sunburn qualities, so it removes the tan. So it definitely gonna work like a instant brightness and instant glowing to your skin. Okay, let's apply on your skin. So I already washed my face, and afterwards apply on your skin like this. If you have a potato, n number of cooking things also done. If you are having potatoes in your home, it will give you infinite uses, either by cooking cooked potatoes, making snacks, or by when you grate a potato, no, so the cover of that potato, it also give you a n number of uses. So the peel of that potato, no, when you boil the potato and afterwards whatever the water is present, no, so after shampooing, if you use on your head after shampooing, after conditioning, if you use that boiled potato water, no, so it will reduce the grayness of your hair. definitely reduce your grayness of hair. N number, if I sit to say a number of potato, if you're asking a number of uses of potato, I will say you n number of infinite number of uses of that potato. So that if you're having a potato in home, there is a no worry to go another thing. So apply all over the skin like this. And along with another use of the potato is to, so you just cut the potato and like a slices and keep it in a refrigerator, and afterwards you just apply on your dark circles. Okay, cold potato, only cold potato slices you just apply on your this dark circles. It will definitely remove your dark circles. Daily application of potatoes, it will definitely improve your skin tone and also give a glowness to your skin. Okay, so apply all over the skin. If you have a darkness of neck, apply every day apply. So take a potato and half it, and take a sugar and rub on a neck. So applying a daily like this and doing a daily like this, it will definitely improve your skin tone. The neck darkness of a neck, no, so it will definitely improve. So I will show you, I will give a surety. If you're using daily a potato, it will definitely improve your skin tone, definitely. Okay, if this pack you're using, it will definitely. Okay, so leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and afterwards wash it. I will show you how it looks like. Okay, see you after 5 minutes. This is what the result after you using that pack. So if I sit to tell you about the uses of the potatoes, so how the time flies, you never know. So this is what the end result of the after using this kind of a potato plus aloe vera. So this is what about the pack. So what all kind of a videos, please subscribe my videos, and thank you for watching my all videos. Okay, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video.